Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I got some more precious metals in the mail. I've been kind of targeting this certain metal because of the premiums that are going on out there, and I just having a hard time paying a lot of money for, silver, for the premiums on silver. They're just so high right now, and I think if you look around on the gold, you can find it pretty good if you do some searching, and you can find it. Now this one I happened to pick up off of Instagram as being part of the Gold Club. And when this was available and I priced it around, this was quite a bit cheaper than any place else I could find it. So this actually worked out pretty well. I'm pretty happy to be part of that Gold Club because I've been able to pick up a few things at some pretty good prices. So if any of you aren't familiar with that, reach out to me or go to Instagram and see if you can find it. And take a look because I think it's working out very, very well. There's a lot of people as part of this Gold Club now, and people are pretty happy. Why wouldn't you be happy to get a piece of gold for less than what you can get it for anyplace else? So why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, I forgot to open this one up first, but I think we can get it open pretty quick. Let me pull everything out of there. Alright, oh, look at that. So any of you hanging out on Instagram, following Bullion peeps, you're probably familiar with Stacking NYC. Tommy there, pretty good guy. Tommy's pretty awesome. I like Tommy, good guy. And he had this deal the other day. You had to jump on it quick because there's a lot of people as part of this Gold Club. And take a look. This was my first purchase from it. I had signed up and then got a little bit of a miscommunication with the email and everything, but eventually got on there and then was able to land my first deal. So zoom in here a little bit. We'll leave that on the screen momentarily. And yeah, look at this in the mint seal and the mint plastic. What do we have here? A Canadian maple leaf. This is 9999. 49's fine. And what's the date on there? Is that a 2021? I believe it is. It is a 2021, my first 2021 10th ounce Canadian maple. And I've been able to get some 2021 American Gold Eagles, but this is my first 10th ounce 2021 Canadian maple leaf. Let's look at this beauty on the other side here. Look at that cartwheeling. Is that beautiful or what? Wow. Now I do have a nice little airtight I'm going to put this into. But for now, oh, look at that cartwheel. That thing's a beauty. But for now, we'll just leave it in the plastic. But what I'll do is I'll carefully, very carefully, 24 karat gold is very soft. You could nick that real easy with a pair of scissors. But I'll very carefully cut it off of there, get it out of the plastic, and I'm going to put it in airtight. So I can put it in my tube of 10th ounces. So I'll tell you what, why don't we pull over the Sigma machine. Anytime you're buying precious metals, you should confirm it with your Sigma machine. Got my little wand out. So let's go ahead and move it over to 999. Run calibrate. Can't use this because it needs to be as big as that black circle. We need to use the wand. And look at that. Right dead center. Is that awesome or what? So yeah, pretty happy. Got another 10th ounce of gold. Beautiful. Love the Canadian maple leaves with them being 49's fine. And just want to show you another great purchase off of Instagram. I don't purchase a ton out there, but when I see a good deal, you have to say, why not? Look at that, pretty nice. One more look at the other side. And there we go. See those little radial lines in there? And that is a beautiful coin. And it is a coin. It's definitely a coin. You can see it's 1/10 of an ounce of 24 karat gold. So 4/9 fine would be 24 karat. But if you look on this side, see how it says $5? $5 right down there. $5 makes it a coin. Alright, that's good. Really cool. Thank you, Stacking NYC. Appreciate you letting me in on the deal here. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.